Hey y'all, so I know I look insane, but I wanted to show you guys how I detangle before washing my hair. So I basically use a Pre-Poo. This is the Curl Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner from Garnier Fructis. But I'm not sure if I would recommend this one, but African Pride has a really good one that I was using since forever. This is what it looks like. So good. But what I do is I'll section my hair out basically into four sections, but I'll section the four sections. So usually I'll tie my hair, but I don't know where my hair tie is, and I already procrastinated wash day, so I'm not gonna do any clean partings right now. But what you'll need is a Pre-Poo. Honestly, whatever Pre-Poo will work for you. A spray bottle. You could get this from the beauty supply store. I got mine off of Amazon. And a detangling brush. This is the unbrushed brush. I like using this on my wash days. It just makes it easier, honestly. I've grown to like it. When I first got it, I did not like it at all. But then I was like, you know what? It's not pulling at my hair at all. So what I do is I kind of like soak my hair with water first. And my hair was in braids, so I will get a decent amount of shedding. And I'm going to take the Pre-Poo. It really depends on how I'm feeling for the day, but back here, it always feels really dry. I don't get it. I do put more product back here as opposed to up there. And I believe my curl pattern is tighter down here than up here. I will say down here is a mixture of 4B, 4C. I don't like typing my hair because I feel like there's so many things that go into, you know, your hair than just the coils. And I feel like there's no way this is 4B, 4C only. If I were to type my hair back here, it's definitely 4B, 4C. And it's more on the coarser side for sure. As opposed to up here, I would say it's more of a true 4B. And it's still coarse, but it is a little more softer than back here. But when I'm done, I will section it. Usually I split this in two. You know what? I will split it in two just to make it easier for me to wash. But yeah, I just split it and put it in twists, which is like so quick to wash. You could just wash your hair in sections and it just makes wash day so much easier. Ever since I started doing this, I literally have no complaints for wash day at all. Okay, so I'm not even sure how long that took. Let me see how much time it's on my camera. My camera says 22 minutes, but girl, I'll be stuttering and stuff, so it was probably a little under 20 minutes that it took me to detangle my hair. And this is how much hair I lost, I guess, which isn't bad at all. My hair was in braids and I need to trim extremely bad. Like my ends, I don't know if you have to see, but my ends are not the best right now. I do plan on trimming my hair since it's January. I like to trim my hair starting January, and then like it's just easier for me to keep track of my trims. But yeah, it took under 20 minutes, so easy. So now I'm just gonna cleanse my hair, condition it. I'll probably do a deep conditioner because my hair was so dry under those braids. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so I highly recommend anyone to start pre-pooing. It's so easy. You don't even need, honestly, you don't even need to use like an actual pre-poo. I pre-pooed with just like regular conditioner, or if you can make some pre-poo from aloe vera. There's some videos on TikTok, really good. I've done it a couple times. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Only if you want to, but I appreciate when you do, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.